Sir, 50 days to go for Paralympic Games in Paris, and we had such a wonderful, small but very wonderful program, measured and well-meaning program, where Ambassador of France was gracing the occasion.
I thank Ambassador of the France first of all coming and gracing this 50 days to go France. I thank once again from PCI and from India. And 50 days to go. We last one program we had done 75 days to go. So about this program is doing people should aware about the Paralympic sports in India as well as all over the world. People are not aware about these Paralympic Games. This is the reason we are holding the program 75 days, 50 days. Again, we will be having a 30 days program too. People should aware about the sports, and I request all the audience to support the para athletes in India as well as all over the world.
Sir, as the ambassador said, that athletics is getting worldwide recognition, and so in India, our Prime Minister is very much in support. We saw a small clip of Prime Minister from the ramparts of Red Fort talking about para athletes and their achievements. It must be a proud moment for you as well.
First of all, I would like to thank government. A special thanks goes to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. He is very keen about para athletes, and always he is helping for a para athletes, and he is taking care about their diets, training abroad in India and all over India athletes are practicing.
सर, एक आखिरी सवाल और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल ये है कि कितनी एथलीट हिंदुस्तान से इस बार पैरा ओलंपिक में क्वालिफाई कर रहे हैं? कुछ क्वालिफाइंग अभी, जैसा आपने बताया था कि अभी कुछ क्वालिफाइंग भी हैं, अभी तक कितने क्वालिफाई करेगा, टोटल कितने जा पाएंगे?
हमारे अभी ऑल टुगेदर आवर एथलीट्स हैव क्वालिफाइड अराउंड 81 एथलीट्स आर क्वालिफाइड, एंड नाउ वी हैव केप्ट द सिलेक्शन ट्रायल्स इन बेंगलोर and athletics, and as well as athletics, one swimming trials are also kept, and around 85 athletes will be participating in Paralympics 2024, and this time we are expecting around 25 to 30 medals in Paris. I wish all the athletes, and I say all the best to all the athletes, and we come with the around, definitely we will get 25 medals, that is 100%. I will not tell you now, but once we come back it will be more than 25 medals. Thank you.
And also it is very important because last time we won 19 and it was a big surprise, and whole of India was cheering for our para athletes, and now that you have raised the bar, it must be a reason, there must be a reason behind it, and as you rightly said, when we come back we'll have a lot more to cheer about.
Grassroots level development is taking place now, and all the India, all the states are supporting para athletes, and especially our sponsors, Indian Oils, Rachi, Heroes, SBI, this all they are supporting the athletes, and TOPS, OGQs, this all government support. With this support, athletes are coming, and we are identifying them, and we are giving them training. Some are athletes are practicing abroad, and India also we have athletes. Some athletes are practicing in India. We wish them all the best on behalf of Paralympic Committee of India, and hope to see them in Paris with a good comeback with a good medal, 25 to 30 medals. The ambassador mentioned Paris, they are ready to welcome us in all over world athletes there, and especially mentioned this time that inauguration will be in the river side, and he was mentioning about accessibility. Is para athletes very important thing is accessibility wherever they go in hotels or in the grounds. That is also more important, and that everything is taken care by the Paralympic Committee. I wish them also all the best for their upcoming Paris 2024 Paralympic Games.